Right, having soup and rice. Nice, feed yourself. That's nice. You have some soup also. How you hold the spoon? Mommy say how you hold. Ah, that's right. Hey, your mouth finish first, okay? Nothing already lah. 你要挖什么？这是 what carrot 啊 ？carrot 怎么会掉在里面？ You don't soak your rice with all the soup. What do you have? You have chicken, potato. This is chicken, potato, rice. Uh-oh. What is this? See? Celery, carrot, mushroom. Why uh-oh? Something on your shirt? Yes. You see? Right here. Wait! Aiyo. Okay, Mama. Drink some soup. I drink, not for you to pour. Okay, Mama, son. Mama, son, carrot and rice. Don't play already, ah. That's right, good job. Big boy 啦，自己吃啦。Smile